You're watching MooMoo Kids TV. Farm animals. Cow. Cows have an excellent sense of smell and can detect scents up to 6 miles away. Pig. Pigs are highly intelligent animals and can learn tricks and even play video games. Sheep. Sheep have a fantastic memory and can recognize up to 50 different faces, including other sheep and humans. Rabbit. Rabbits have a special ability called binkying. It's when they leap into the air and twist their body around. It's their way of showing happiness and joy. Chicken. Chickens have a special language to communicate with their chicks even before they hatch. They use different clucks and purrs to talk to their unborn babies. Horse. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. They have a special locking mechanism in their legs that allows them to rest while standing. Goat. Goats are known for their agility and climbing skills. They can climb trees and even balance on narrow ledges. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They produce oil from a gland near their tail that they spread on their feathers to keep themselves dry in the water. Emu. Emus are large flightless birds and are the second tallest bird species in the world after the ostrich. They can reach up to 6 feet in height. Llama. Llamas are social animals and often live in herds. They communicate with each other by humming, and each llama has a unique humming sound. Goose. Geese are excellent navigators and can fly in a V formation during migration, taking turns leading the flock to reduce wind resistance. Donkey. Donkeys have a powerful defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, they can let out a loud bray that can be heard for miles. Turkey. Turkeys have a unique and interesting way of showing off their feathers. When male turkeys, called toms, want to impress female turkeys, called hens, they puff up their feathers into a magnificent fan shape. Honeybee. Honeybees are incredible workers and can visit up to 1,500 flowers in a single day, while collecting nectar and pollen for their hive. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds in the world. They have the biggest eyes of any land animal, and their eyes are even larger than their brains. Guinea fowl. Guinea fowl are excellent pest controllers. They eat insects and help keep the farm free from pests like ticks and grasshoppers. Alpaca. Alpacas are known for their soft and warm wool, which is used to make clothing and blankets. They come in many different colors, including white, black, and various shades of brown. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And of course subscribe for more videos.